By now, Arizonans living in senior communities or care facilities could be crossing a big milestone in the pandemic, many getting ready for their second dose of the COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah, for months, communities like those have been under very strict lockdowns with visitors and outings limited since early last year. But now they can finally start to look forward to life after the pandemic. Maria's live with one woman's hopes for the future. Good morning.
Good morning. So yes, not all grandmas and grandpas and their kids have to worry about logging online and trying to book their loved one an appointment at one of these mass vaccination sites. I'm here live at Tuscany at McCormick Ranch. This is off the Loop 101 in Shea in Scottsdale. It's a senior living retirement community, and most of the people who live here are about 88 years old and older, and boy, are they relieved to know that the vaccine will be coming to them.
I'm in favor of it. I'm a retired nurse. I've had all the other vaccines. In 1950, I worked in a polio hospital and took care of patients in iron lungs. So I am thrilled that we have all the vaccines.
They've made it so easy for the residents and for the families. Right now, you go on Facebook, you talk to friends, and you find out that people don't know what site to use. They try one, they can't get in, they have to create a password, they create the password, then it says there's no appointments available.
So you just heard from Erica Bonim. She's 62 years old and doesn't qualify for the 1A or 1B categories, but her 90-year-old mom does, and you just heard from her at the beginning of those interviews. So they won't actually have to leave where they live to get the shot. So Tuscany at McCormick Ranch in Scottsdale partnered with Walgreens to administer the Moderna vaccine here to 90% of the people who live here tomorrow. So that clinic tomorrow. Both mom and daughter say it is a relief. They don't have to figure out the computer or transportation to get mom in the car and in line at a mass vaccination site. And both women, by the way, are cancer survivors. They are at risk of just the health risks. So I do want to note, before you sign your parent up or grandparent, if they live in a senior living community or an assisted living community, it is worth at least asking the staff if they are working with some of the big pharmacies like Walgreens or CVS to bring the vaccine to where your loved one is living. We do know that CVS has said they have partnered with 900 skilled nursing facilities in our state, and so they are working on getting all of those vaccines to the people who need them the most. But I just want to make sure that people know that not everyone is struggling to log online. There are some skilled nursing facilities and retirement communities that are really doing their best to help those seniors who really aren't very mobile, maybe homebound, and can't get to a mass vaccination site.
Thanks, Maria.